At first, I want to say thank you, English Fantasy Authority, for arranging a big tournament. It's needed for we as like some refreshment. For the reason we need to play cricket or football. So today I come here with my teams play a football match. Our first match 43 and 47. I think we will win the match, and I think today tournament will be provide a good vibrant. I say to this word, I register my IELTS exam. My exam will be held it's 21st January, and I think it's my last like a match or last occasion with English fantasy, and I want to say everyone come in English fantasy as like you can enjoy the English fantasy environment. You can read with English fantasy, and English fantasy arranges every time a lots of occasion, so you can join the all occasion. And that's it. Thank you, everyone.